Exclusively on Kickstarter, Ugears Horse Mechanoid, a unique assembling model that joins nature and mechanics. The innovative mechanism of this beauty makes the bionic horse a real walking quadruped. All joints and movements closely resemble those of a real horse, but powered by rubber bands, gears, cranks, and gravity. Fully assembled, the Ugears Arch Ballista and Tower has moving parts and elements that will help you to recreate a medieval siege and test your great conqueror's skill. The Stagecoach brings an unforgettable time of working together, recreating the Wild West spirit with your own hands. Inspired by the earliest tower mill in England, the Ugears Tower windmill model has a unique mechanism inside with a full-fledged chain drive made entirely of wooden materials. New and exciting Ugears V-Express steam train with tender. The minutely detailed design of the model reveals the beauty of moving details, gears in a flywheel, and the workings of the cylinder piston arrangement. The unique charisma of the Ugears Roadster comes from its detailed, realistic retro design and a powerful V8 engine. Do you fly in your dreams? Come fly with the Aviator, the first ever aircraft model from Ugears. The flight control tower bars regulate the speed and the roll and pitch of the airplane or helicopter. Wind it up and you are ready to soar into the sky. The Ugears bike carries the true spirit of the road. It's always been and will forever represent a challenge, speed, and true freedom. Each Ugears model is not just a construction kit, but an incarnate idea of a perfect mechanism. Putting them together,